Hello everybody and good day. My name is Muhammad Al-Hakim Manasri. My matrix number is 10TDK22 F1044, and today me and my team will present to you the proper practices of using the clamp meter. Alright, let's move on. So firstly, the preparation before using a clamp meter. The clamp meter is a measuring tool used to measure electronic accessories current without assembling the circuit. Therefore, it is important to do preparations in order to eliminate hazards towards the user as well as the tool's longevity. Preparing a clamp meter. Firstly, determine which type of clamp meter that will be used. There are two types of clamp meter. Firstly is a transformer clamp meter, which can only measure alternating current, and secondly, the Hall effect clamp meter, which can measure alternating current as well as direct current. Now, to easily determine the type of clamp meter that you are using, simply press the trigger and check both sides of the clamp jaw. If both sides of the clamp jaw have exposed magnet, it's a transformer meter clamp. If only one side of the clamp meter jaw have exposed metal, it is a Hall effect meter clamp. Now, ensure the magnet clamp and its plastic chassis are clean from dirt and dust. Dirt and dust that got stuck around and within the clamp might affect the magnetic force of the clamp, thus resulting in unreliable reading. Ensure the clamp width is bigger than the size of the conductors. Bigger conductors prevent the clamp from properly closing and will cause unreliable reading. So that's why, for bigger conductors, use a flexible current probe. If a Hall effect clamp meter is used, reset the reading back to zero every time before measuring a conductor. The Hall effect clamp meter is magnetically sensitive to its surrounding and might result in skewed reading if it wasn't reset properly. Now, I will pass it on to Hafiz Najmi, so he can explain how to measure alternating current. Hafiz?
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Najmi bin Abdul Nizam and my matrix number is 10DP22F1016. So I'm going to talk about how to measure alternative current using multimeters. First is we have to set our multimeter to alternative current range. And the second point is if we have an unknown conductor, we have to set our multimeter to the maximum point, to the maximum range. And the third point is if we have a wire with multiple of conductors such as live, neutral, and earth, we have to expose each of conductor separately. Okay, for the first is clamp the conductor that you want to measure between the load and the power supply. Only one conductor can be clamped at a given time. Since clamp meter shows the reading differences, having two conductors clamped together, we can see each other out. For the sixth point is we have to adjust the range until the accurate reading can be extracted from the multimeter or the reader. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Chong Ding Wei. My matrix number is 10DEP22F1022. Today I would like to talk about how to measure AC voltage. Majority of campus come with a multimeter. First, we connect the testing probe to the respective terminal, shown as positive to red, whereas negative to black. Then, set the new voltage to voltage in AC. Third, insert the positive power needle to the left terminal, whereas negative pole needed to negative terminal. Last, adjust the range until an actual value can be extracted. So this is all for me. Thank you.